Right from the get-go, I would like to thank a channel called Flowering Elbow. It's some good chainsaw milling videos. A lot of the things I learned from him. Also, the Fouch off-grid family. That channel name might not be right. Fouch family. Very good videos. I want to kick the camera up and just show you a few things here. One of the things that I learned from Flowering Elbow was if it's not going smooth, don't force it. Back up and start again. Wife's a woodworker. I've got a little can of wooden shims. You just carry these and stick them down the log as we go. You noticed I stuck one in right off the bat in video 1. And got them all down the log here. Just stick them in, not wide shims, narrow shims. Learned that from Flowering Elbow. And try to let the bar tip lead. Something that I have done, I did remove the bar tip guard. It seemed like the chips were recirculating in the chain. It wasn't cleaning out, and I didn't like that, so I removed that. And in video 1 you saw I was struggling somewhat when you have to go around a large place like this right here. I had to slide the saw. I was actually rubbing here. I trimmed this where I could get through, but once I get down in here I could move on. And don't rock the saw back and forth in the cut. That helped a lot. So that was the beginning and end. Those videos, the actual cut. This is 14.5 feet on the wide end. I think I've got a 10-inch wedge here, but on the wide end you can see we're 10, about, I don't know, 16 inches across. So I think I've got 18 total cutting width on a 24-inch bar on that mill setup. They say if you go bolt through the bar, you get more out of your bar. But that's a clamp type setup on that one. Anyway, that's the process, family. Now I'll take the John Deere and run the forks under this slab and take it up to where I've got electricity and cut the live edge off with a circular saw. One more thing I want to show you. Run into this a lot. Keep a cheap tarp handy. You can throw that over your stuff when it rains. And I didn't think nothing about that, but Flowering Elbow brought that to point. And so many times I've been out here and it rains. And this is a truck toolbox. I put everything in that, run my forks under it, and take that wherever I need it. Keep my tools and fuel and extra saws, drill, wrenches, extra bars, etc. in that. Here's some of the other slabs that I'm working with. Logs set up here and there. This one is ready to mill. I saw a flat on this with a mini mill, then I come back, set it up and mill it with the Alaskan mill. Same thing here. This is a large, beautiful, beautiful piece of white oak right here. And I may have to square the ends on this one. This thing is, it's probably, there's 18, 19, probably about 20 inches right there. So I'm going to have to square this one up before I can use the Alaskan on it. But I got a lot of wood out of these beams. I got two 16-foot 6x6s out of this, and plus this right here. This is probably a 12-foot piece here, and I cut it in half with the mini mill. So kind of an overview of the work area. Thank you for watching.